Hello everyone, welcome to week 13. We're going to study section 7 in our advanced part 2 book. This can be found in the module 12. It's in the modules and you can download this book. We're going to be looking at footnotes and endnotes. Okay, so basically they're used to provide additional information about a word or phrase that might be confusing to somebody, and I think everybody has seen these. Let me see if I can find an example. One of the little notes, footnotes, that little note that appears at the bottom of the page. Sometimes there'll be a small number, a subscript or a superscript next to the word that's being explained. Sometimes it'll just be an apostrophe or something like that. But it can be useful to explain things that people may not understand. So to use these, I'm just pulling up one of the old documents, and you can use your document from last week and just add to it. It'd probably be better than recreating something from scratch. But anyhow, let's just say right here, bachelor's degree. People may not know what it is. Let's go up to the references ribbon and go to insert a footnote. Now look, we can describe this is a 4-year program. And then when people are reading, they can see, oh, there's a footnote, and I'm not sure what this means. Oh, it means that it's a 4-year program. To delete a footnote, there's only one way to delete a footnote, and you click before, before the superscript, and you just hit the backspace key, and that gets rid of it. But I'm going to go ahead and re-add that just to show you again. And let's go ahead and put another footnote in. Let's just do it right here. Engineering, we'll just say this is a mechanical degree. So we'll insert a footnote. Okay, now to find your footnotes, you can hit F5 as a shortcut key, or you could go up to review and find. And let's look for a footnote. Let's enter the number 1. Go to it. There it is right there. Footnote number 2. And there it is. So we went over how to delete, how to find them. Okay, another thing I would like to show you guys how to do this time is, well, actually, let's go ahead up here and just look at some of the different options that you have. You can put them at the bottom of the page or right below the text. You have to designate what footnote it is. It might work if I click on this. There it went. And endnotes, which we don't have any yet, so it is not highlighted. You put them. They usually go at the end of the document, and I'll show you what is meant by that. You can play around with all these settings and see what they do and how they're going to work and everything. Numbering continuous. You could restart each page and see how that turned to a 1 right here. That way, let's just say you have 4 footnotes per page. It'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. If you use continuous, it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have some options there that you can play with. Another thing I would like to see you do on this next assignment is play with inserting a comment. Let's see, where was that? Oh boy. There it is, comment right there. This is handy for me, for a teacher. If you're critiquing somebody else's work, you could put this is spelled wrong. I mean, it's not. I'm just giving you an example. Or you could say, I think a better word to convey this message would be, I don't know, an Associate of Arts and a Bachelor's of Science. It points out, it's usually used to point out mistakes or point out things that could be made better, and then you can save a document and send it back to somebody, and they could, make all the changes and resubmit it for grading or something like that. Now let's go ahead and insert an endnote too. Look, the endnote goes clear to the end of the document rather than at the bottom of the page. And we can put departments vary. So yeah, I guess that pretty much covers it. Let's look through the chapter real quick. To move to footnote markers. Yeah, we went over how to find them, how to delete them. And that's it. Give me an assignment with comments and footnotes and endnotes, and that'll do for assignment number 1.